The big question today is, which cocoa powder do you buy? Hershey's and Ghirardelli. The price difference, about $2, so that's pretty significant. And I wanna know, is there a big taste difference? I just wanted to note that both of these say the ingredients are literally just cocoa. So, what I learned from working with them is that there's no visual difference when they come out of the bag. There's no visual difference when you use them to cook. Okay, that's Hershey's. Okay, I don't want to comment until I've tasted it. If you guys remember my monster brownie recipe from Halloween, so I had this question then. I just didn't pose it to the greater audience. When you do those hands and pans videos, you have to make 2 of everything. I make the batter, and then you instantly need to show the thing that is baked. That's a little insider tip that I'm sure you probably figured out from watching those things anyways. However, I decided when I was filming that I should test it then. So I tested it with the brownies, and the brownies, that was pretty much their exclusive chocolate component. And I had my whole family blind taste test it. And they all, hands down, myself included, said this one tasted so much better and it had so much more complexity than this one. This one just came out as like chocolate and sweet. My first initial thought is that I can't really tell too much of a difference between the two. Hold on. I'm gonna try again, just to make sure. Once you add your whipped cream or your marshmallows, your peppermint schnapps, your shot of espresso, which by the way are all really good ideas to enhance your hot chocolate, which you can find in my other video of my favorite hot chocolate recipes. Once all those things happen here, you can't really tell. I mean, I can't even tell it without all the garnishes. I mean, I feel like go for the cheaper one in this regard, for sure. What I would say is when you're making things that have other chocolate inside of them, don't waste your money on this premium cocoa powder. Just buy the cheaper Hershey's. But if it's something that has exclusively cocoa powder in it, it's definitely worth the $2. Is it a little insane to have 2 types of cocoa powder in your pantry? Maybe, but like, don't you want to be that person? Like, I want to be that person. So I invite you to be that person. Hershey's when other chocolate is added, and Ghirardelli when cocoa powder is the only chocolate component in the dish. Cheers. I hope I saved you $2 in the baking aisle. I'm Mandy Maxwell, and I'll see you next time. Because I'm still doing the news anchor thing, because now I'm at a desk and I have a mug. Do you think that worked? I don't know.